Well, what I would say is, look, this is a trend we're seeing all across Europe. There is certainly an increase in what I would call violent political extremism. So we're not immune to that here on the island of Ireland. Obviously, there's been a number of quite high-profile events here. Look, we continue to monitor it. We continue to assess our risk level around that. Our current risk level is currently at moderate. However, that's something that we constantly keep under review. I mean, this is something, obviously, we gather intelligence. We have an understanding from partners abroad what the trends are, what's going on, and this is something that I've said previously. There are people here, and they intend to do harm, particularly to some of our migrant communities, and that's something that we have to be completely alive to. We're not immune to that. We've seen that in the UK and across Europe. But it's something, as I say, in Garda Síochána, we continue to build our capabilities around it. The thing about social media is, I mean, from our point of view, once people cross that criminal threshold, we obviously become very interested in them. I mean, there's many things posted on social media, I mean, that we would see, or the people of Ireland might see as vile, abhorrent, but if it does not cross the criminal threshold, but once it does, and it's something I've said before, people are not, they may think they're anonymous online, but we have successfully arrested, prosecuted and convicted people who have threatened people online. We've seen this really concerning around some of our politicians. But again, we have convicted people for those, and we continue our work around that. So we'll be particularly relentless around people who target people in positions of authority, people who target people involved in Ipas centres. Any of that type of activity, of course, Garda Síochána will take action in relation to.